Good morning, friends. We had studied about the different feeding habits of different animals, that is, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, parasites, all that were learned in the last videos. Now, today we'll be learning about the food chain. Now, all the animals, directly or indirectly, are dependent on one another. We all know that the main source of energy on earth is the sun. The sun is the main source of energy. But directly, we cannot obtain energy from it. Yes, we, the human beings and animals, can directly not obtain the energy that is given by sun. But yes, the plants, the green plants, can prepare their own food. They have the pigment called chlorophyll, through which it captures the sunlight and it prepares its own food. So what we do is we are dependent on green plants. We eat the green plants and we obtain energy. So what are we? We are dependent. We are dependent on whom? We are dependent on the green plants. We consume the green plants. Green plants are dependent on whom? They are dependent on sunlight. They are dependent on sun. So we eat the plants. So today we will study about the food chain. What is a food chain? Here I will explain the green plants or the grass. Yes, it is called the producer because the green plants themselves prepare the food in the presence of sunlight. The grass is eaten away by the deer, that is a herbivore. And the herbivore, like deer, is eaten away by the lion. So this is called a food chain. The grass is eaten by the herbivore like deer. The deer is eaten away by the carnivore like lion. One more food chain I will explain you over here, that is the grass. The grass, that is a producer. Yes, it prepares its food in the presence of sunlight. The grass is eaten away by the herbivores like grasshopper. The grasshopper eats the grass, and the grasshopper is eaten away by a carnivore like frog. And the frog is eaten away by a snake, that is a large carnivore. And the snake is eaten away by an eagle, that is a top carnivore. So this cycle goes on. Yes, the grass is eaten by the grasshopper is eaten away by the frog is eaten away by the snake, and the snake is eaten away by the eagle. So that is called the food chain. So all animals, whether herbivores or carnivores, are directly or indirectly they are dependent on plants. Yes, they all are dependent on plants for their food. This feeding relationship among the organisms is called food chain. Thus, food chain can be defined as the link of the process of eating and being eaten away for the purpose of food. Thank you. Okay, now the next topic and the last topic of the first chapter is the food problem. What is a food problem? First of all, many people in our country, they are not able to get food. They are not even able to get food twice a day. Many are there who are not even able to get food once in a day. Why? That is due to poverty. Because they are living below poverty line, they are not even able to get food to eat. And even there is a shortage of food grains many a times due to drought or famine or something like that. There occurs a scarcity of food grains and the price rises. And so, due to the augmentation in prices, many people are not able to afford the food grains. That is called the food problem. If the people are not getting the food, that is called the food problem. Now, what can we do to sort out this problem of food? First of all, we should grow more and more plants. Yes, we should grow more and more crops so that it is available to the majority of the people. Secondly, what we can do is we can use modern methods of farming. We should stop deforestation. Yes, the agricultural land is being used up more for the purpose of construction of houses and buildings and hospitals and schools. So the agricultural land should not be deteriorated, it should not be declined. And what else can we do is we should not waste the food. Yes, many a times what do? We take in our plates more than what is required. we take more food, and then that food is left over uneaten, and that is how we spoil the food. So we should not waste the food. Overeating of food is also not good for the health. It leads to obesity. So these are the ways by which we can sort out the food problem. Thank you.